Long story short, I was cooked. My body hurt, so I decided to just take the day off. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the farm. We're finally going to get into a little bit of welding out here. Like I said in the last video, I lost a lot of the footage from the first time we welded, but this time I'm going to be a little bit more careful. So we've got this back piece behind the hay bales to start on this morning. I'm not too worried about the moisture content. It is really humid this morning and cold. It is 48 degrees outside. I'm going to do some minor adjusting on this pipe. I just let the welder warm up for a little bit. We will get started here. Let's get into it. Got this little stretch here done. Yeah, this was definitely the worst stretch of pipe that I've done so far out here. It is very crooked and there's a lot of terrain changes over here that you can't really see on camera. But yeah, this is pretty ugly. Luckily it's in the back of our property and it's kind of hidden by the hay bales, and that's where we plan to keep a lot of that. And then we'll also have stuff parked underneath the awning on the shop eventually. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean this up a little bit and move over to the other side and continue on this back stretch of fence. Actually, there is one more thing to do. We've got to cut this down and put our cap on. So we'll do that real quick. we got a lot done today. I'd say about 220 foot welded and up. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go in, get some rest, prepare for Sunday morning, and we should see y'all out here tomorrow at some point. We're back at it today. I'm gonna go ahead and get as much done as I can. It ended up being the next Saturday. I woke up after, obviously, I woke up and went to church the Sunday that I last saw y'all. And when I got home, I ended up having a couple extra things to do at the church, so I ended up getting home late. And long story short, I was cooked. My body hurt, so I decided to just take the day off. So we're back out here next Sunday. We're going to continue on the fence. Enough yapping. Let's go get it done. Alright, sorry for the wind. Something I'm dealing with right now, trying to figure out, is this piece right here is going to be a connection point for the fence that will run up to the house, and then also, extend and continue down our row. One thing that I had thought about putting in here is a man gate that goes somewhere in here, just so we can access our electrical panel out there in the pasture. The problem with that is I don't have that hole cut. I don't have a piece of pipe in there. So I'm just trying to think through what the best route is today. I know it's really rocky over here, so I'm probably going to get a post hole digger, auger, but I may see what I can do. I may just go ahead and head up to the front, to this front stretch here, and just continue there, and just leave this for another day when we have the post hole digger. We got to weld an extension onto that piece that we're going to connect to the house, just so we can create a point for our 3 pieces of pipe to split off of, and then we will continue on probably on our front fence. Don't know what happened. but I ran out of pre-cut pieces. I'm guessing I miscounted in this strip somewhere on the back side over there. So I gotta do the rest of this the old-fashioned way. I'll just drag them over here, cut them off at the spot, and go ahead and weld them together. But anyways, let's get that going. Alright guys, the sun is going down. That means that I am done for at least today, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it a video here. We got a lot done this weekend, in the last couple weekends actually. We started, as you remember, way back over there behind the shop, behind the hay bales. Worked our way all the way around here, all the way up here. That's gonna be our man gate, oh, right there. And then we made our way all the way up to that corner, and then we made ourselves almost all the way done. I really wanted to get that done today, but it just didn't pan out for us. But dinner is ready. The sunset is so beautiful. Man, another video down. We will see y'all next time. Keep putting one foot in front of the other, and don't get caught at the crossroads. See ya.